In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create menu tabs in Wix Full 2026 step-by-step tutorial. To get started, open your browser and head to the Wix website. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the option that opens your site in the Wix editor and click Design Site. This takes you straight into the visual editor, where you'll build and customize your navigation. Inside the editor, you'll see your page canvas in the center with toolbars around it. Move your mouse over the page area to reveal the on-canvas controls. When you see section boundaries appear, you're in the right place to add a new area for your menu. Click Add Section. A panel will open with different section types. Choose Blank Section. Starting with a blank section gives you full control over spacing, alignment, and background, which keeps your menu clean and consistent with your brand. You can resize this section by dragging its handles so it has just enough room for your tabs without crowding the rest of your content. Next, open the Add panel. This is where all your elements live. Scroll or search for Menu. You'll see several menu options. Click Menu to open the available styles. From here, choose Create a Custom Menu. A custom menu lets you control the items and their design, instead of relying on an automatically generated site menu. This is perfect for building tab-like navigation that points to pages, anchors, or any links you need. With the custom menu added, it's time to edit your menu. Select the menu element to open its settings and design controls. Here you can rename the items, reorder them, and connect each one to a page or a section on the page. Adjust the layout to display items horizontally so they read like tabs, and set spacing so each tab feels balanced. In the design settings, customize the font, weight, and color so your tabs are easy to read. Be sure to set distinct styles for default, hover, and selected states. This helps visitors understand where they are and what they're about to click. Finally, click on the menu tab you want to customize and apply your changes. Update the label to match your content, set the correct link destination, and verify that the hover and active styles behave as expected. Repeat for each tab until your navigation feels smooth and consistent. If anything looks off, select the menu again and fine-tune spacing, alignment, or colors until everything lines up perfectly. That's it. You've created clean, functional menu tabs in Wix.